Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create a story and add story points in Tableau. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Tableau, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating a story in Tableau and adding story points allows you to guide your audience through a narrative, highlighting key insights, and presenting your data in a structured step-by-step manner. It's a very straightforward process that could guide your audience through a sequence of visualizations, ensuring that they follow the logical flow of your data analysis and understand the key points you want to convey. Now, once you are here on your dashboard, I want you to click on this on the bottom part of your interface. You see there's going to be the new worksheet, new dashboard, and of course new story. I want you to click on it. Now basically you can rename this one. Maybe I'm gonna put in something like this. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger, or let's check maybe this one. Make it underline. There you go. Click that. And of course, you can also add captions if you want it. Now, I'm going to be putting in something like this one. Now, you can add sheets on this specific story, right? So I'm going to put in this. And I'm going to rename the story here. Like this one. Okay. There you go. And then you can simply click on this one right here. Just double click the sheets and it will be automatically added on your specific story. All right. Now after that, now there's going to be an option that says story and layout, wherein you can change the way how it looks. You can put it numbers, dots, and arrows only. So it's all up to you. All right. I'm going to put in the caption boxes, and then now I want you to switch back to the story tab, and here we're going to add a new story point. Okay, so you can create a from blank. You can add a caption here, maybe this, or go again to the, let's undo that. You can also go to the check this one's dots and arrows only, or you can also choose an arrow. Basically that's how you create a story and story points here in Tableau. Now for example, your data needs analysis involving tracking changes over time or comparing different scenarios. Story points can effectively highlight these changes and their implications. I find it very useful because it lets you explore different aspects of the data one step at a time, reducing the cognitive load on your audience, and of course helping them grasp complex scenarios and concepts. Because story points includes interactive elements such as filters right here, and parameters allowing users to engage with the data directly and explore different scenarios on their own. Okay, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.